Building electronics is slow, expensive, and error-prone. Beginners and even experienced engineers constantly waste time choosing components that turn out to be incompatible, unstable, and underrated. A single wrong part can fry an entire prototype, forcing teams to research replacements, rebuild circuits, and repeat the cycle. Robotics teams, especially, lose weeks of progress and money on failed components. The real problem, there is no intelligent tool that helps us pick parts safely, simulate their interactions, and validate a circuit before the hardware burns out.
Our solution is CircuitFlow, an AI-powered platform that makes electronics design safer and faster. User can choose component from our library or upload their own datasets. And CircuitFlow will automatically build the circuit via connection, check whether everything is compatible. With real space simulation running in the browser, it can catch issue like overcurrent or wrong rating before anything is built. This helps beginner and robotics teams avoid bond part and save time and confidently design reliable circuit from start to finish.
Let's design a simple circuit. Let's simulate it. The simulation graph looks unusual. It seems there's an issue. Let's enable the auto check feature. The problem was that the circuit was missing a ground connection. We can open multiple simulation result windows by splitting the graph pane, and we can also zoom in by selecting a specific area. Now, let's use AI to generate the circuit automatically. Wow, it generated the circuit! Now let's rearrange it a little. Time for circuit validation. The ground is missing. It even generated the report automatically. We can also create a custom motor component from the datasheet.